Okay children, see here. You can see such A, B, C, D. Am I going to teach you A, B, C, D? Yes, why not? Let's start it once again. So children, page number 12, look it up, see here. So here dictionary, you will be introduced to dictionary, have you known? So dictionary where all the word meanings in various parts of speech, when you go to higher class you will come to know more about it. But in a dictionary you will find meanings, more than one. For that word you can find meanings in a dictionary. So actually in dictionary words will be in alphabetical order. What is alphabetical order, children? Our alphabets in English, what are those? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z are our alphabets in English. So when we follow alphabetical order, children, what we do? See, first we take A because it comes first in our alphabet. So whenever we take first, we take A. Okay, then it follows with the B. That means, so the first letter, after that it comes B. So we follow this order. So this is the alphabetical order. Goes on. We follow like that. Understand? So how it goes? S after T, T after U, V, W, X, Y and Z at the end. So, you know, it's a very beautiful game also. Here some words are there. You have to arrange it alphabetical order. Means according to the dictionary when it comes. How it comes? You have to write, so which word with A must come first. Suppose A is not there. So in this order, which is first you get, okay, you have to write that first. Then follow the next order like that. For example, let's see. Here see O, F, B. So here I wrote our, flap, bright, stamp. Here if you see 4 words I have taken, children. So to write in alphabetical order, the first rule, take the first letter of each word. Okay. For example, it is O, here it is F, here it is B. Okay children, and here it is S. So in our alphabets, which letter comes first? O, F, B, S. Which one you see? A, B, C, D, E, F. See here F. That means this word will come first. Yes? Sure. See, you are not at all concentrating. Wrong. Here B is there, no children? How can you forget like that? You are not at all stopping. Oh, you are not there. Sorry, I forgot. I am thinking I will write and you will say, teacher, wrong. Because in alphabet we have forgotten here B. Yes? Yes or no? See. So first word will come bright. Am I right, children? So always we'll take the first letter of the words. So here B. Okay, so this word is deleted. Okay children. The next word. So after B, what is there? See O, F, S. So after B, C, D, E, F is there. So next what will come here? Flap. Okay, F is finished. So after F, O, S. So where here O, after that S. So our third ranking is O. So here our. Then the last one will be written as it is stamp. Understood? So this is our alphabetical order, children, where we are following C, B after here, F here, second, then O, where O here, third, yes here. Understand? In this way we must write alphabetical order of the words, and in dictionary also we follow the same way. Okay, let's solve another one. See the rules first. See the letters of your words. If you see here, children, see here R, here E, here L and here J. Which words? R, E, L, J. Which one comes here? R, E, if you see E comes here, okay, R-E-J-L, L-J, okay, so E first comes, so here first words will be I, first word, so E is deleted, then R-L-J, where comes R, see here R, where comes L, L, see children, L here, J where it comes before, that means what is the next letter would be J, because J, L, yes, no, so here the second word will be jump, then after J, L, lunch, then the last will be R here, rude, understood children? Suppose if we have similar letters, same letters, okay, then what we will do, for that two words we will go for the second letter, okay, for example, if we have here see, jump, jack, see, jump, jack, J, first letters are same, so we can't go, you have to go for the second letter, U, A, which word will come first children, sorry, which A, letter A, so here, jack, jump, if even the second letter is same, then go for the third letter, understand? So this is what is called alphabetical order. So what you have to do, here are some words, use your dictionary to cross check your answers children. So it is the best way to get you will get to know what is the dictionary. So you have to solve this. I will meet you in the next video of grammar, I will teach you. Okay children, till then